Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to skin your Photoshop in 2022, and yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you just want to go to your Photoshop icon here, and you just want to right click on it and you want to go to open file location. Alright, so once you're here, you just want to scroll all the way up and go to required, scroll down, go to UI colors. So it'll just be UI colors by itself, not original or copy. I just did that because I've done it before, and I'm going to continue. Alright, so it's just going to be UI colors and it's just going to be default. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be copying and pasting it like this. Then I'm going to change this one to, I don't think you can actually rename it, so what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to bring it to my desktop. Now I'm going to rename it here. Shit, I already have one named. Alright, so I'm just going to use this one. I'm just going to drag it in like that. What you want to do now is you want to just double click on it, and in the description there's going to be variables that you want to follow, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to follow them now. Alright, so you're going to have these widget button strokes and shit like that. So all you have to do is copy one of the names, then Control F, and then just put in find next. And if it says cannot find, go down and it will find it. You can just have to go between the directions basically if it pops up with error. So next thing you want to do is you want to go on Google, you want to look up RGB color picker. Now I'm going with a nice little light blue. Now sometimes the color is a bit off, so you want to go either lighter or darker depending on what you want. What you want to do is you want to just paste it on these three values. Wait, that's the hex code. I'm gonna go for the RGBT or RGBG code. Hey, what the fuck did I just say? And paste it in like that. And you want to leave this as 1.0 because this is the opacity, and if you mess with that you're just messing with the color altogether. So just want to do it for them all. Same. Boom boom boom. And then you want to go back into the description, get this, copy it, Control F, paste, find next, bring it down. Then just gotta keep doing this. I'm gonna speed up the process, and if you guys want to change the colors between them you could do that. So you could make like a, I don't know, purple or some shit, but I'm just gonna keep it to the blue. So alright, so once you guys are done with that, all you want to do is just press Control S to save it, and it will say this. You just want to save it, and maybe a little bitch, so you have to save it to your desktop first and just save it like that. And then what you want to do is you want to Control exit, and then you want to just go back and then Control V and then replace, and it should be good. Now what you want to do is you want to just open up Photoshop, and it should be skinned. If not, you did something wrong. So let's see. Alright, so I can already see the little scroll thing here, so I'm just gonna make a little document real quick. I'm gonna see it fully, and boom, this is how you skin your Photoshop, make it look clean. And yeah, if you guys did enjoy the video, please leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, peace.